Ndewano. Hello, my name is Chinedu Nwangu, your Igbo teacher, coming to you live with the support of Igbo TV. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you the Igbo alphabet. You are going to learn the 36 letters that compose the Igbo alphabet that we use to form words. This video is targeted for our Igbo brothers and sisters that live in the diaspora, so the language will be mixed for a better understanding. If you stick to the end of this video, I have interesting things to show you. Ready? Okay. The Igbo alphabet. This is called in Igbo, Mkpụrụedemede Igbo or ABD Igbo. The Igbo alphabets are 36 in number. 36 means in Igbo, iri atọ na isii. And here we have all the Igbo alphabets written in capital letters and small letters. Here we have a diagram or a chart that simplifies for a better understanding the Igbo alphabets. Here it tells you that the Igbo alphabets are 36 in number, or have 36 letters, and it is divided into three. The vowel, which is called in Igbo, Odaume. The consonant, which is called in Igbo, Mbochume. And the semi-vowel, which is called in Igbo, Myiri Odaume. And it tells you that in Odaume, which is the vowel, it is subdivided into two, the simple vowel and the heavy vowel. Under the consonant, it tells you that it is also subdivided into two, the double consonant and single consonant. And under the semi-vowel, it tells you that we only have two semi-vowels, which is me and ni. Here we have the vowel, and this diagram tells you that the vowel is 8 in number, or it has 8 letters. 8 means in Igbo, asato, and these are the 8 letters of vowel. A, E, I, O, R, U, O. And it also tells you how the vowel is subdivided into two, the simple vowel and the heavy vowel. Under the simple vowel, which is called in Igbo, Odamfe, Maọbụ Otu A, you have the alphabets that makes up the simple vowel and a word we formed with it. Here we have A, Aka, Anya, and the meaning is written for you here in English. O, Oso, Ogu, O, Ota, Odo, I, Eko, Iba. Under the heavy vowel, we have E, Ego, Egu, and the meaning is also written in English language. O, Ose, Oke, U, Ugu, Ukwe, I, Iko, Isi. Here we have the consonants, and the diagram also tells you the alphabets that makes up the consonants, and they are 28 in number. 28 means in Igbo, iri abụọ na asatọ. And as you can see, these are the alphabets that makes up the consonant. Consonant is also divided into two. We have the single consonant and the double consonant. In Igbo language, they are called Mbochumenge na Mbochume Mpe. The single consonants are 19 in number, and as you can see, they are listed down here for you, while the double consonants are 9 in number. Myiri Odaume, semi-vowel. Here tells you that we only have 2 semi-vowel in Igbo language, and they are me, na ni. 2 means in Igbo language, abua. Here we will be looking at all the 36 Igbo alphabets and a word formed with it. A, aka, b, bọọlụ, chi, ịchị ọchị, d, dọkịta, e, ewu, fe, fe, g, gbuo, gbe, igbe, ghe, ghọrọ, gwi, agwọ, i, ehi, i, ite, ị, ịnyịnya, j, ji, k, karama, kpe, akpa, gwi, akwụkwọ, re, leta, nnụ, mma, nni, ngaji, nni, ṅụọ, nwe, nwa, nye, enyi, o, oke, ọ, ọkụkọ, pi, pọpọ, ri, ire, si, isi, shi, asha, ti, ntị, u, ugwu, o, ụkwa, vi, vọọ, wi, wa, ye, ye, zi, eze. Here we have a couple of questions that you have to take on your own self to examine if you've learned one or two things from the lesson. The first question says in Igbo, ole ka abi dị Igbo dị? Ụzọ ole ka ọdọma kewara? Ole ka mgbochi ume mkpị dị? Ole ka mgbochi ume nge dị? And this brings the end of our lesson today. Your teacher has been Chinedu Nwangu. Ndewonu. Ka emesịa.